Look at these parrots. What kind of parrot are this?
These parrots are called Budgies, which is short for its proper name, Budgerigar.
Where are budgies from?
Budgies are a native of Australia, where they live in the dry grasslands. They generally move about in large flocks, finding water during times of drought, as well as searching for food.
What do they eat?
Budgies love seeds, but a healthy budgie diet should include fruits and leafy green vegetables.
Budgies so colorful.
Yes, they are, but the only natural colors of budgies in the wild are yellow and green. All other budgies, including the blue and white budgies, are what is termed color mutations, bred especially for the pet market trade.
This means that I will not see blue or white budgie in the wild.
That's right.
Budgies have unusual feet.
I'm glad you noticed that because budgies have feet that are called Zygodactyl.
Sounds like a dinosaur.
Yes, but in fact, Zygodactyl is the type of toes that budgies have. 2 toes facing forward and 2 toes facing backward. This foot structure makes it easier for budgies to grip branches and climb up and down trees.
Some parrots can talk. Can budgies talk?
This is another great question because budgies can talk as well, if not better, than some of the larger parrot species. Some budgies have been known to develop a vocabulary of more than 100 words.
Budgies have beautiful feathers.
Yes, they do. Also, you'll be surprised to learn that a budgie can have approximately 3,000 feathers to cover its entire body.
That's a lot of feathers.
Yes, and further, budgies have fluorescent feathers. This means that when you expose the feathers to ultraviolet light, they glow in the dark.
Why do budgies glow in the dark?
Scientists are not entirely sure why the budgie's feathers are fluorescent, but they believe that it has something to do with mating. In other words, this helps budgies to make friends and get to know each other.
Do all budgies glow in the dark?
Not all of them. What is interesting is that green and yellow budgies do, but blue and white budgies don't.
Does this mean that only wild budgies have special feathers?
That's right.
What about a baby budgie? How is it born?
A budgie comes from an egg. The female budgie takes full responsibility for hatching the eggs, sitting alone on a nest while the male brings her food. On average, a budgie lays 4 to 6 eggs. Hatching happens between 17 and 19 days. The new budgies are ready to leave the nest between 30 and 40 days after hatching, but it takes another 9 months before they're completely independent of their parents.
How can you tell a difference between male and female budgies?
You have to look at the small area surrounding the nostrils on the top of the beak. In males, this area will be blue. In females, it's typically white or brown. What about this one? Is it a male or female budgie?
It's a male budgie.
Yes.
How long do budgies live?
In captivity, budgies can live anywhere between 7 to 15 years, but in the wild, only between 4 to 6 years.
Kenko, I think the budgie is my favorite parrot.